said about 60-mile-an-hour winds out of going up to Flagstaff and snow, and so we decided to go down this way, but the wind this way has been pretty extreme too. Take Route 66. We're gonna get off the interstate. Try to go this way. What road?
The Mother Road.
The Mother Road for what?
That's what they call Route 66.
Oh. Okay, so we've never been on Route 66, so here we go.
So Route 66 is considered the Mother Road because it is one of the first transcontinental highways, and it started in Chicago and ran all the way to Los Angeles.
Wow. There you go. everybody ill. Way out there.
Oh man, look at those trucks. There's an old Mack. Couple, I'm not sure what that one is. Old Peterbilt, a couple old Cannonball GMCs. There's a Studebaker pickup, Chevy pickup.
Gassenbrook. Historic Route 66.
Kind of cool. This ranch feeds 7,776 American families. Sounds pretty cool.
Look at that old zero rig.
Yeah. That's cool.
Yeah, on a Studebaker.
Here comes another choo-choo train. You want to go try out that trail you said?
Yeah.
Okay. That'd be kind of fun.
This is Valentine.
Look at that old building.
Yeah, that's cool.
These old cars.
Yeah, old Ford, old Chevy.
A lot of cool vehicles along Route 66. Pretty drive though. Way better than being out on the interstate.
There's the Cadillac.
Oh, over there? Okay. Oh, we could have stopped right here.
Oh, yeah.
Dang it.
The rails and stuff. See the excavator?
Yeah.
It runs on rails all the way across those cars back.
Mountains coming up look pretty amazing.
Looks like it used to be a KOA. Look at the shape of the building. Radiator Springs Police Department.
It's cool. Look at, there's even an old phone booth.
Caution contains baby rattlers.
Oh. Herbie is here. And the tow truck. Found the big green head. But we have definitely found it. Ooh, check that rock out. I know. Hold the phone. A jaguar. Huh. That's cool. There's a dead guy in there? Oh, that's good. Perfect. What a view. There you go. This has been a cool little stop.
Home of Giganticus hedicus.
Now we know why there's the big green head. Joe, get your hand out of there. Hey, it's a little chilly out here. Pretty cool though. Great stop. And the woman with the boobs of steel. These roads out. Wow. I think Arizona might need to put some money into their roads. Big old windmills out there. Oh, that sky is something else. Wow, what a beautiful evening. I'm glad we had to come the long way around. Planes or the helicopters up there. They're circling or waiting to land in Vegas. I don't know. Or they're up there for the sunset helicopter ride. I don't know. Up on Kingman Wash. There's Hoover Dam. You made it in time to see it. Pretty cool. Well, you can tell we have made it into Nevada. The Hoover Dam Lodge. That's kind of cool. There's Lake Mead.